Okay, it's our third game of the day. Goldfish playing Lightning Charge. Let's go, ladies. Good, Elena. Go, Clara. That will not count. Good, Avery. Nice. Go, Avery. Yes, good job. Woo! Good, Elena.
Nice, Elena.
Yeah, good jobby. Woo! Watch it, Elena. Yes, good jobby. Good, good hustle. Go, Elena. All right. Come on. Good, Elena. All right, halftime. Okay, second half just started. Score is 2-0. Let's go, Goldfish. Good. Good job. Let's go, Lucy. Yes, awesome. Good job, girl. Second corner. Go, go, go.
Nice turn, Luz.
Come on, Luz. Get it off. Ooh. Good, Clara. Got that. Yes. Good job, Kelsey. Go, Avery. Yes. Good job, Clara. Good, good. Yes! Good job.
Good, Abe. Way to come too.
Don't touch it. All right. That's it. Game undefeated today. We're going to the championship.